Hemophilia is caused by a genetic mutation. It is a sex-linked recessive disorder. The mutations involve genes that code for proteins that are essential in the blood clotting process. The bleeding symptoms arise because blood clotting is impaired. Hemophilia A is caused by a mutation in the gene for factor VIII, so there is deficiency of this clotting factor. Hemophilia B, also called Christmas disease, results from a deficiency of factor IX due to a mutation in the corresponding gene. A condition referred to as hemophilia C involves the deficiency of clotting factor XI. This condition is much rarer than hemophilia A and B, typically leads to mild symptoms. It is also not inherited in an X-linked manner and affects persons of both sexes. And the symptoms are bleeding, blood in stool, blood in urine, bruising, heavy or prolonged periods, internal bleeding, nosebleed.
There is no cure for hemophilia, but there is a treatment. If a person has hemophilia, they can get injections of clotting factors to counteract the effects of hemophilia. They can also get an injection of plasma into their blood. Therapies include injection of desmopressin, fiber sealants, and physical therapy. To remain healthy with hemophilia, a person must exercise regularly, avoid pain medication, practice good dental hygiene, and protect themselves from injuries. Scientists are trying to work on gene therapy to help add the missing gene into the blood. They're also working on a cure by using stem cell transplants. Hemophilia patients are missing a required gene that allows their blood to clot. This clotting factor is known as factor VIII. The stem cells will carry the factor VIII into the body and they will start to replicate. If the scientists' research is correct, then hemophilia can be cured.
The main fundraising foundation for hemophilia is the National Hemophilia Foundation. It is the leading, largest, and only non-profit hemophilia foundation. They are dedicated to finding treatments and cures for inheritable internal bleeding disorders. They, along with other foundations, have many different ways of fundraising, such as walks for internal bleeding, the Red Tie Challenge, and the Salsa Challenge. The Salsa Challenge in Arizona is where people bring their salsa and people pay money to be taste testers. All the money goes to hemophilia treatment.